Welcome to the Filestage plugin for Adobe After Effects. With this plugin, you can seamlessly connect Filestage with After Effects to optimize your review process and receive instant feedback on your compositions. To get started, make sure you have an active Adobe Creative Cloud subscription and Adobe After Effects installed on your computer. First, download the Filestage plugin from the Adobe Creative Cloud Marketplace by typing in Filestage or by using the provided link in the Help Center article. Once the plugin is installed, open your desired After Effects project. I choose this one here already. Then go to the top menu, click on Window, Extensions, and select Filestage. Next, sign into your Filestage account using your credential. This will allow you to access your project dashboard. Now you can navigate through your Filestage account, open projects, open files, and you're ready to upload your first composition. Simply select Upload Composition, choose a file name if you like, Composition 2, select Render Settings, and select the output module. After you make your selection, click on Upload. And with just a few simple clicks, you have now submit your composition for review in Filestage. Once your reviewer provided feedback on Filestage, you can easily view and interact with comments within After Effects. That's it. You're now equipped to integrate Filestage with Adobe After Effects and streamline your review process.